Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to fix the too many attempts please try again later error on our Telegram. So this is a security based lockout, so if you are having that issue you can follow up these steps. So the first thing you can do is you can wait up to 24 to 48 hours before trying again, and you can start by doing so. So you can restart the application after you go ahead and wait for some hours. You can tap on it. In order to open it up, you can just go over and tap on it, and there you will be finding the Telegram application. You can see if that works or not. You can look out for the login page and see if it works or not. Apart from that, what we can do is we can just go over and clear the cache and data. You can go to your phone's settings for that, open it up, and once you open up your phone settings, you can just go over and scroll down and look out for the option of apps and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you can just go over and scroll down and find the option for Telegram. So go ahead and find Telegram from the given options and tap on it. And once you find Telegram, tap on it and you can look out for the option of clearing your cache and data. Go to storage for that and tap on it. After you go over here, look out for clear cache and confirm it up, and also clear the storage if necessary. Apart from that, what we can do is we can check for updates. You can go to Play Store for that, and from there you can go to the search in the bottom right corner and look out for Telegram itself. And then here, if you find any kind of update available, you can update your application to the latest version, because outdated versions can cause login problems. Also try reinstalling the application itself. You can go ahead and hold the Telegram itself and look out for the uninstall option and confirm it up. Once the application is installed, you can reinstall the application and fix the issue caused by the corrupt data, and that's it. So that is it everybody. You may follow up this process if you are getting that issue. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.